The second question from Dr. Ahmed Nisar, Lahore, Pakistan. Is it permissible? There is no permission for him to build a new temple or a new church for the non-Muslims. Only what exists, he can protect it. That's all. So if Pakistan calls itself to be a country which is following the Quran as the constitution, and if the Muslim ulamas and the shuyukhs, whether it be Darul Ulum Deoband, whether it be Markaz Ahl Hadith, they have objected, of course they are right. I'm completely with them. I'm completely with the scholars in objecting that how can Pakistan spend the government money in making a temple? The maximum they can do is whatever temple existed, they can keep them, that's it. They cannot contribute, and that's the reason. You know, there are Muslim countries like Saudi Arabia where it's not permitted to build any house of worship of the non-Muslim, and this is Islam. You cannot. If it's there, existing there, it is there, okay. In some Muslim countries, Nauz Billah, they are donating land for building temples. Some Muslim countries, they are funding tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars in building house of worship of non-Muslims. This is totally against Islam, against the teaching of Quran and Sunnah. So what the Muslim ulamas and the shuyukhs in Pakistan are doing, objecting to the act done by the Pakistan government, I'm with them, I completely support them, and this should be stopped. Hope that answers the question.